What's up mga hitsuraan, mga choy ug chay? Welcome back to Hitsuraang Kulisaw YouTube channel. And today is, well, sa taong series guys. I know, nagsunod mo sa series. Guess what? 4 days to go! 4 days to go! 4 days to go guys! OMG! Can't wait to go home guys. Although ma-miss na ko ang Japan, but I really miss my hometown and the Philippines guys. Kay lahi ra dito. For now guys, wala man ko ilaag karon, wala man may laag kay mag-relax na mi and mag-prepare na pa mi sa mga gamit. Ma-miss na akong kwartohan direda. So for now guys, I would like to teach you another trick, another cool trick guys, para maka-chicks mo through cards. So hili ko card change guys, another quick change, cool change effect. I hope you guys will enjoy this video, and please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Hitsuraang Kulisaw YouTube channel. Without further ado, let's go. So okay guys, now for the tutorial on how to do the trick. It's very simple but need a lot of practice guys. So first step, papangitaon ni mo og card ang spectator. For example, ikaw ang spectator nako. So ask the spectator to choose a card. This card. This is the spectator's card. So now, I'm going to change this card. So usara na siya ka card guys ha. Usara na siya ka card. So it requires skills to perform this trick. First, imo na siyang ihulog. Ano paghulog? Silbi kulob nimo paghulog. Ana ra. Kulob. Okay? So that's the first step. So ang second step is that, so while you are holding this card, mag pinky break na sad ka. Pinky break. Tong last time, gituluan na mag pinky break. Mani pinky break. Pinky break kag usa ka card. So this time, inighagbo ning Jace, inighagbo ning 10 of club. Ini-flip nimo. At the same time, ipo ni siyang i-flip. So it requires skills to flip the card guys, but kung practice makes perfect, so ma-perfect na ninyo. So anong sa pag-flip na kay pinky break, anong sa nimo. Mag-silbi drag down, then let's change 10 of spades to 10 of hearts. So first step is flip the card. Second step is to open this card. Pinky break and then drag down to open. Okay? Pinky break, open. The perfect angle is here. Spectator is nasa right side nimo guys, and then you will do the change. Ask the spectator to get one card. Okay, so to get this card, 10 of spades, and then at the same time, this is a one motion guys. When you flip this card, this should flip also. Flip and then change. Okay, sorry. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Again. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, again. 1, 2, 3. Simple. Move requires practice, so practice a lot. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So that's the change. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that's the trick. There are lots of tricks guys. So to change card. So last time guys, you learned this trick. 1, 2, 3. So you can combine that trick with this trick guys. This 1, 2, 3. Okay? So that's it for our tutorial for today guys. Since wala pa ko'y ilaa guys, so tutorial lang sa card trick. So atangin ninyo ang ako ang vlog. We're doing magic in the public, guys. So let's see kung makaya ba na ako og magic sa public. Nga na mga spectator dagan kay mata. So mag-practice ako og tricks, guys. So watch for my vlog. I'll be doing public magic soon. And I hope you guys will continue to support Hitsuraang ko sa YouTube channel. Because when naana ko sa Philippines siguro, I will be uploading more videos and more fun stuffs to come. Thank you for supporting Hitsuraang Kulisaw. And see you guys till next time. 4 days to go! Peace!